It will burn, but try your best to get up there. If you can't, what's going on, my number ones? Wallace Conrad from 1150 TV. Do you have an issue with chest fat or man boobs? Here are 5 exercises you should be doing. I'm going to give you this routine. If you do this routine, you will see amazing results. We're going to do 5 exercises, 5 minutes, 1 minute per exercise. If you cannot complete the entire set, rest for 5 to 10 seconds and jump back in the workout. Without further ado, let's do this. Stopwatch on. That's the only time we're going to rest, when we are resetting our stopwatch to do the next exercise. Okay, here we go. First one is going to be goal post squeezes. Let me just put my stopwatch on the ground here, and then we're going to start. Here we go. Hands up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that mind to muscle connection that we want to have. Feel the muscle that you are trying to work. Think about it, and that's where you're going to target your attention. Okay, sounds silly, but it works every time. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Nice. Almost there, 10 seconds. Nice. Next one. And crosses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Feel the squeeze. Trying to go for that 1 minute. I know it will burn, but try your best to get up there. If you can't, take 5 seconds, 10 seconds, take a breather, then you get back in. Feel that squeeze in the chest muscles. Nice. Good going. Nice. Now, the delts are working too, so you'll feel the burn there, but try to keep your hands as best as possible up to that shoulder level, squeezing those pectoral muscles together. Nice. Here we go. Next, hands together. 1, 2. Tap those elbows together. Nice. Spread your wings and fly. Go. Good going, guys. Almost there. Have 2 more sets after this. Get you to that 5 minutes more. Nice. Next, I'm going to do some shoulder flies. Out and coming in. Squeeze. 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 Nice. Now it really starts to burn. Now that's what we want. Try and keep it there best as possible. Almost there. 30 seconds on this one. Squeeze. Breathe. Good going, guys. 3, 2, 1. Nicely done. Shake that out. And then we're going to go for the final one. And it is one that is familiar. And that is a push-up. So you can do this two ways. You can do it on your knees, or you can just do the normal push-up. We're going for 1 minute. Okay? So here we are. Let's start on the knees. You can switch over. Okay? And down. Up. Really squeeze it at the top. Breathe. Now, I know you're feeling it right now, but try to push through. Get to that 1 minute mark. We're going to switch over here halfway in the minute. Just going to go on our toes and just finish the normal push-up. Nice. And there you have it. Get rid of those man boobs. Get rid of those chest fat. That is your 5-minute routine. Until next time, see you soon. Remember to like, subscribe, share with a friend. See you again on Lemon Fit TV. I know that you're tired, but I'm asking you to do me one favor. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. Come on, you got this. I know you can do it. Keep going.